All right. So let's go look at the next one. On this one, we're going to get a common denominator first for the top part and the bottom part, and we'll deal with the rest in a moment. So what can the denominator be here? Well, I've got 6 and x, so I can make it 6x. I'm going to multiply this by x, but I'm going to multiply this by x, multiply this by 6 and this by 6. So I'm left with x squared minus x plus 6 divided by 6x. It's minus 6. I apologize about that. Maybe I could read a sign here. Divided by, now this one is 9 minus x. Well, this is x here. I need to get this x, so I need to multiply this by x as well. So it'd be 9 minus x. This is an interesting problem. Divided by x times x, which is x squared. Very interesting problem here, okay? You'll see why in a moment. Now what I can do is I could rewrite this as x squared minus x minus 6 divided by 6x divided by 9 minus x squared divided by x squared, okay? So when you divide, remember, we want to flip and multiply. So we're going to flip and multiply. So x squared minus x minus 6 divided by 6x times x squared divided by 9 minus x squared. So this one's got some issues, and we're going to talk about that. Let's go over here first. We can factor this. So what multiplies to negative 6 and adds negative 1? Negative 3, positive 2. Here, 9 minus x squared, that's a difference of 2 squares. So it's 3 minus x, 3 plus x. So we're going to have as I said, we're going to have a problem here because we can cancel anything on the top and anything on the bottom, any factors. Now, this is x minus 3. This is 3 minus x. I haven't taught this yet. They're not the same thing. What's different is their signs are different. So what I can do is I could factor out a negative here and make this x minus 3. And it'll change the negative x to a positive x, change the positive 3 to a negative 3. I'm just rewriting it in order to look like that. And this would just be x plus 3. Okay? And so by doing that, it allows me to cancel here and here. So if you ever have a situation where you have the same terms with different signs, you can do that. Now, on this one, x plus 2, there's no x plus 2. This is x squared, this is 6x. So I could take out, I've got 2 x's here, 1 x there. So I could get rid of that x and just leave with an x there. So on the top, I have x times x plus 2. On the bottom, I have 6 times a negative, which would be negative 6, x plus 3. That's a hard problem.